Hello, this is Algebra D, page 5 notes, questions 16 and 17. We're asked to find the probability of certain events. So for A, we have a 6-sided die. Die is the singular word for dice. So we want to know the probability of rolling a 5. So the probability of rolling a 5, we would write this as P of 5, is equal to the amount of 5s on the die, so there's only one, out of the total different numbers possible, which is 6. So the probability of 5 is 1/6. Probability of rolling either a 4 or 6. Well, if there is 1 4 and 1 6, so that's 2 chances out of the total of 6. We can simplify that to 1/3. The probability of rolling a 1, 2, or 3 is going to be, there are 3 numbers there out of the 6 total, so it'll be 1/2. There's a bag with 5 different colored marbles in it. We want to know the probability of drawing a purple marble. There's only one purple marble out of 5, so it's 1/5. The probability of drawing blue or red, that is 2 marbles out of the total of 5, so 2/5. And the probability of not drawing a green, well, there are 4 marbles that are not green out of the total of 5, so that's 4/5. Find the last video, Algebra D, page 6, for the rest of the notes.